Welcome to this tutorial on how to start building a website on Shopify. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store and sell products to customers all over the world. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to get started with building your Shopify website. First, you need to sign up for a Shopify account. Go to the Shopify website and click on the Get Started button. Enter your email address, password, and store name to create your account. Once you have signed up, you will be taken to the Shopify dashboard, where you can manage your store and access various features. Next, you need to set up your store by adding a theme. Shopify offers a wide range of free and paid themes that you can choose from. To add a theme, click on the Online Store tab and then click on Themes. Browse through the theme store and select a theme that suits your business needs. You can customize the theme by adding your logo, changing colors, and adding content. After setting up your theme, you need to add products to your store. To add a product, click on the Products tab and then click on Add Product. Enter the product title, description, price, and images, and then click on Save Product. You can also add variants, such as different sizes or colors, to your product. To make your products available for sale, you need to set up a payment gateway. Shopify supports various payment gateways, including PayPal, credit cards, and bank transfers. To set up a payment gateway, click on the Settings tab and then click on Payments. Follow the instructions to set up your preferred payment gateway. Finally, you need to set up shipping options for your store. To set up shipping, click on the Settings tab and then click on Shipping. Enter your shipping rates and options, such as free shipping or flat rate shipping. You can also set up shipping zones and rates based on location. In conclusion, building a website on Shopify is a straightforward process that requires some basic setup and configuration. By following these steps, you can create a professional-looking online store and start selling products to customers all over the world. Remember to customize your theme, add high-quality products, and set up a payment gateway and shipping options to ensure a smooth customer experience. With Shopify, you can focus on growing your business and leaving the technical details to the platform.